It's woolly review time. So I need my ladybirds. Now I bought this especially for a tutorial. I didn't even know we did it until I went hunting and this came up and I'm like, oh my gosh, King Cole make one. So I had to grab it because it was way cheaper for me to get King Cole than it was for me to grab the American version of Sachet. So this is it. Now I bought this on eBay for £1.39. I will link down below if I can find it anywhere cheaper. I will put it down, as well as all the details on this. But this is King Cole Krystal. Now it says to use a 4.5mm hook. Let me bring you down a little bit, sorry. 4.5mm needles. They do say this is for knitting, but I'm doing it for crochet because you can do the knitted version or the crochet version of the scarf. That's one way to use it. And I'm going to use a hook. Anyway, 100% acrylic, 30 meters, 100 grams, made in Turkey. So this is it. So this is going to be a bit of a weird review because I can't knock it up and then frog it back like I would usually. So it's going to be a very, very quick review. Let's have a look at it. Okay, so it looks, apart from being thinner, or narrower, should I say, it looks exactly the same as Sachet. We have the closed border at the bottom. We have our netting, stitches, loops, windows, all the way to the top. But it feels lovely and soft. Does it say which colour this is? Wonderful. Obviously, we're not here to look at the colour, but, you know, since we've got nothing else to do in this review, we may as well. So that is coming up different on the camera than it is in reality. I wonder if turning the flash off will do anything. Not really. Sorry. Okay. So this one is going from a white to pastel pink to a medium dark grey, emperor purple, pink, white, grey. So there's less purple in it than any other colour, but it's not bad. I mean, if I just do a couple. I don't know why, because it's not going to make any difference. Oops. You know, when it's separated, it's not a bad drape. It's not bad. It's not bad. Let's bring you up again. I think it's really, really soft. This kind of thing you can use as trim on scarves. If you've got the much smaller version, you can put them on socks, on frilly knickers. You can use them as an embellishment on a top or bottom of the top. The only limit with anything, let's face it, is your imagination. It really is. But it's thinking outside the box. No, you can't crochet with it as you would ordinarily, but still it makes up for a good project. Now I've got to go use this for a tutorial, so if I make it up, it's going to be spent, as it were. But I can't crochet it like you'd want me to for the review, so I can only base it on what it feels like. Oobly squishy. Very, very slinky, shiny. I'm hoping there's not going to be any yarn bath with it. It's got a little tongue hanging out. So I can only review on that. So this has got to be the quickest review that I've probably ever done. I wouldn't turn it down. I wouldn't be fed up that that was the only thing in there. It wouldn't be my first choice, but, you know, I'd be happy with it. No. I'm more than happy with it. It was in my top 3. Nope. It's getting a full 5 Ladybirds for me, and that's purely because I really like sachet yarn. I love making the scarves with it. It's pretty easy. And even though this isn't sachet per se, in fact, let me put the ball band back on. It's got a lovely soft texture. It is nice and silky, and that is what I want from this type of netted composition. I'm unsure why it's called crystal, because there ain't no crystals in it, but that I think is as good as the actual real sachet, which has multiple different thingies, variations with it. This has got a fair few, but I'm saying it's as good as, and I personally love them. So this is getting a full 5 Ladybirds. So yeah, sorry, very, very quick, but you get a quick result too. Love it, love it, love it. Woo! Maybe I'll see you next time. Bye. So this is it worked up. I've just finished using it, and I thought I'd just add on to the review, as it were. It was exactly as I expected. It was easy to work with. As always, doing these ruffle scarves, which I made with it, it does a lot of twisting and twisting and twisting. It's expected because of how you use it, but perfectly fine. Very, very happy with it. I had, at no point did it split. It feels absolutely lovely. Very, very happy with it. I am sticking with my 5 Ladybirds. See you later.